Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the Terra Resource Bank and also how to create your own resource and share it with other teachers at your school. We created the resource bank so you never run out of ideas and instructional materials for your students. The resource bank can be found in the right panel of your HQ homepage and right beside your lesson planner. The resource bank contains hundreds of activities, student handouts, and strategies. We also broke it down into categories to make sure you can always find what you're looking for. Additionally, you can search for any resource using the search bar. When you click on the resource tile, you'll see that each activity contains a customizable student handout, slide template, and various other resources to help you plan engaging lessons. To add your own resource to the bank, click the blue resource button right here. You can give your resource a name, select a resource group, add any kind of description, and also add a link. When you hit save, that'll automatically save this resource to your bank so you always have it. If you'd like to share this resource with other teachers or members of your school, you just hit the Share with School button. Thanks. Bye.